Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to do a small little navigation to my gym this morning. So we're on version 12.5.1.3. So I'll be putting up some more YouTube videos showing just lots of Tesla videos and hopefully some videos on Windows and Microsoft Office. So let's get started. So we are on average settings, and we do not have the automatic speed offset turned on. So I've got a 4% bump up on my speed. And no hands. So it's got the visualization watching me, making sure I'm paying attention to the road. I've got my turn cameras on. So I think last time I looked at my video, you could actually see out the back mirror. It's got a good view from the camera. So we'll get rid of this destination. Add a trip, get rid of that one, and continue on. So I put up some different destinations so I could get through some residential areas that wasn't just a direct trip. So we're doing 42. Let's bump that up to 50. I've already got somebody behind me. Pressing the accelerator a little bit just to get up to speed. I find when you bump the speed up, it doesn't necessarily get up to speed right away. So we can go right to the stop sign on this one. There is a crosswalk here. Intersection over there has you have to stop before the crosswalk area, otherwise people will. This guy was not expecting me. Guess that little bit of acceleration from the Teslas surprises people. So we're out of school zone, so we can actually do up to 50. So it's summertime, school zones are not in effect until September 1st rolls around. So the car bumps down its speed, so I got to keep bumping it up. So one day we'll read signs and interpret what they mean, but I expect that'll be a few years away yet. So if you read this sign, it's like September to June, 7 to 5:30, 7 a.m. to 5:30. So we're doing 37 in a 50 zone. Could it be connected? Oh, I forgot to reroute. Oh, that's okay. You know what, let's just take over. And get back on the road. That was my bad. I was not paying attention. So we should take a right-hand turn. So the car was taking a right because the destination pin was just up ahead. I'm surprised it didn't actually pull up the road and turn and park. And now that we're here, get rid of this guy. And this will be a little bit more interesting. Sometimes when you get that, pay attention to the road, even if you're not ready to look back at the road right away, but you're still paying attention, you can give the steering wheel a little tug and it goes away. Something I learned just through experimentation. So driving in good areas, nice and slow around this corner. We've had Rain all day yesterday and a little bit of rain last night, as you can see. But apparently no rain coming today. So car's very cautious. Its speed is set for 45, but based on the conditions, I suspect the trees and the looking more residential. So the water in here is causing the car to trip up a little bit, go slow. I guess it thinks that's an obstacle. Complete stop to 0 and right hand turn. Very good. So we have oncoming car. Tesla's gonna wait. I waved the guy through because the car was not going. Right when I waved him through, we both started to go. Interesting. So I suspect, based on AI and the narrowness of the road, it's trained to drive slower through these areas, which I guess makes sense. And once we make this corner, I'll remove that last stop and let it go to the gym. So car coming. And we're gonna make it do a right hand turn here. Yeah. So this is onto a more major intersection coming up. There's a lot of bumps in the road right here. They've replaced, you can see all the potholes have been filled. Still not the smoothest. And we're going to see if we can get the car to actually go to the right. See if we can get it to go straight down this way. If not, then we'll just go around. Yeah, okay, there we go. So this is the normal way you would go. So we're set to go straight. So we've got good acceleration off that turn and we're completely up to speed. Nice turn into the turn lane, good signal early enough. Can't see around this car, but I can, so I'm gonna press the accelerator. So I've got somebody behind me. And let's see if we make a left into here. Yeah, good. So the destination is up on the left. So the car mapping says to do a U-turn, but it recognized that this is where we want to go. We can turn into here. And we should come to a complete stop for the stop sign and turn right. And the pin isn't quite in the proper spot. Let's see. Well, I guess we're gonna park right here into a... Yeah. We'll just stop that. I don't have good success with the car. Going into parking for me, not like other people, I suppose. Anyways, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want to see something different, something a little bit more challenging. I'm gonna have a video coming up of my 5 favorite features of my Tesla. And let's put it this way, I'm never going back to a gas car. Unless I'm forced to for some unforeseen reason. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day.